Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts. My throat is not really okay, and today I'm doing a different kind of a reading. It's the seven card spread reading, and this is all about your life path. It's called the life path spread reading. You will know about your strengths, the gifts that you have, what do you need to support your happiness, and what is happening in your life right now. What do the angels want you to know? What do the guides want you to know? And what your heart wants you to know. So there are different messages, and I'll keep telling you which card stands for what. So in these three decks, I'm going to just lay them out, and I'll take out cards. I'll just fan them out here, and remember, this is a gel reading, like I always say, may or may not resonate, but maybe you were looking for guidances at the time you were listening to my reading, or you did you did stumble upon my channel, or you've been following my channel. And I wish you all the best, and let's see how life is unfolding for you, and especially what are the questions that you had in mind. Let's see if I have an answer for you guys here in this reading. So this is the seven card spread. I'm going to keep the charms away, and I'm going to fan them out here. So I'm going to use three different decks because there'll be a lot many of you who will be listening to this reading, and I want to give more answers because it's not necessary it's for one person, so it might or might not resonate. Remember, I am a psychic tarot reader. I read my cards very differently. I channel messages and I work with spirit guides. So let's see what are the first. What is the first card? The first card will tell you your strengths, the gifts that you have. So let's see what are the strengths and the gifts that you have. You love serving people. This is service. The first card I got is service. Are you serving people these days, or you did help someone, or that's how you that's how you find your happiness when you're helping someone. That's what makes you happy. That's what keeps you happy. Especially if you're a five number, I got 11 number, which means you're probably born in the fifth month or the 11th month of the year, or probably when you just add your birth date, it comes to either 5 or either 11. Also feel number nine. You're also number nine if you're listening to this reading, and this probably resonates with you because you love serving others. And this is the great strength that you have, that you care for others, you feel for others, you're an empath. Probably your job is like that. You're either a nurse or a doctor or a healer or anything. It could be a teacher also. It's you enjoy teaching others, enjoy helping others, you enjoy imparting knowledge. The first card is service, and that's what your strength and your gift is. And I think you've got a very kind heart. I also get a lot of Piscean energy. I don't know why I get there. I also get that you love the spring. You're very attracted to flowers. You're very attracted to, especially pink color is also what I get. Yes, supreme protection. So you behave, you behave like someone who really wants to protect people. So here's service and here is protection, and that's what you were born to do. You have to protect people. You also protect people you think are weak, who cannot stand for themselves, or do not have a voice. You speak for them, or probably you probably teach someone who doesn't know how to write. You great at you great at inspiring people with your work. So people really look up to you for protection. That's what I get, and when they see you, it's like a very caring, motherly feeling that they get from you. So that's the protection you give to people, and that's how they you are the protector, and that's how they feel around you. You also believe in a lot of action, and you there's a gift you have that you put people into action. You say words that sometimes people look for somebody, a guidance or the right word, so they can just at least get off from the chair and start doing things. You motivate people very well. Probably that's the word I'm looking for. You motivate people very well. You explain things to them in a very easy manner, and I also get that you hold a high designation somewhere. There'll be people working under you, but the kind of relationship you have with your people, it's almost like a very friendly relationship, not a very bossy relationship, but you're really friends with people around you. So your way of teaching is also very different. The way you actually um, you are around people is in office is very different. The way you make business deals is very different. You see the other person as a friend. You never see anybody as an enemy or a competitor. I don't want to say that competition is not healthy or good, but that's how you are. You make friends very easily, so that's another gift. And I think you love talking, and I also think that you've got wheels on your heels because you keep moving everywhere all the time. You're moving. So these are the strengths that you have. Let's see your life, what's happening right now in your life. So let's see in this seven card spread, what is happening in your life right now. Listening to a lot of people. So it seems like you're a teacher and you listen to people, others, to others a lot. I also feel that right now you're listening to a lot of people right now. Probably they have problems and they come to you. I think you're solving people's problems. That's another thing I get. I also get that in your job you have to listen a lot. I don't know if you're a lawyer, you're a judge. It's about listening to a lot of people around you. There are always a group of people around you. Probably that's your friends or probably the people you work with. You also communicate very well with animals. I don't know if you're an animal communicator, but you communicate very easily. Your communication skills are very good. I think right now, if you're listening to this reading. What's happening in your life is that you're really using your communication skills, and if you're not using them, I really feel you should, because you are going to influence people with the words that you use. You are going to win projects with the kind of words that you say. And you are also going to attract people with, you are very magnetic in personality, and the way you say things and what you say, so you attract a lot of people and people do listen to you. They do come to you for advice. And also I get harmony with nature. Right now you're in harmony, also very balanced. Right now things are very balanced with you. It's also, I don't know why I want to say this, in the past there was a big huge storm, but somehow it's settled, and this is your life right now. It's very calm, it's very still, and you're really happy that it is like this right now. Let's see what are the other cards saying with your life, what's happening right now. Yes, you are the magician. You put everything together. That's how people see you. In fact, people do come to you with their problems, and they are coming to you with their problems right now. You're going to solve somebody's problem very soon, or you did solve someone's problem, and you've got everything ready. You always have, you put people at ease, and it's like you have a ready advice for everything. You just come up with a magic potion, and that really makes the person relaxed and comfortable, and get, how to get rid of other people's problems. And you are really a magician in a lot of ways. Things get solved very easily, and right now if you're facing any problem in life, it will be solved like this. It'll be solved easily, so you don't have to worry about it. Maybe that's another message that I wanted to give you. I think your ancestors are also around you to help you. I think in your family there were healers. That's why probably you are also a healer. That's how people are in your family, were in your family, your ancestors, and you have the same spirit of helping people. That's another thing that I get. I don't know what, but I get that in your family there is a soldier. Who's fought a war. I don't know why I got that, but yes, there's been someone who fought a war, and you know was devastated by war, and also took up the path of spirituality. That's a very different message that I get. These cards are very different right now, and very different messages. So that's how you are. That's your ancestor spirit. It's always around you, and that's always asking you to help people. I don't know if you get dreams about people who've passed away in your family, and they actually communicate with you. You're a very good communicator. That's what I get. And you're if what's happening right now is everything is going to be solved. That's the message that I get. Let's move on to the number 3 card in the spread. Sorry. This is for something that supports your happiness. What supports your happiness? Your soul purpose. So this is actually coming to become a story. First card, second, and the third. You like protecting people, caring for people. In everything that you do, you try to find a purpose. That's another message that I get with soul purpose. It's like you're always searching for answers, always seeking answers. You do not rest unless you get your question answered, or you get the right solution. And it's never ending unless you get the right answer. That's the biggest message that I get with you guys, and that really makes you happy. You don't leaving things unsolved. So if you have a fight in a relationship, you're not the type who will just you will say, okay, I'll not talk to you, and we'll mend things tomorrow, or let's not talk for a week, and we'll see how it goes. I think you're always looking for a solution. How can you mend things? How can you improve things? How can you make things better? So that's what brings you happiness. You don't like turning your back. If somebody's asking for help, or otherwise also if there's any problem, I'm saying even in office, you would rather resolve it. You like resolving stuff. You don't like things, being unresolved, having no answers, being a mystery, procrastinating things, not talking, being cold to people. You don't do all that. You don't believe in all that. I don't know why, but I feel there's a lot of Gemini spirit here, a lot of Gemini energy here. Let's see what the other cards are saying. What brings you happiness? What supports your happiness? What makes you happy? Something that you need to release will make you happy. You're not releasing something that doesn't belong in your life. And you know what it is. The moment you release something, it will bring you happiness. That's the another thing that I'm picking up. Okay? And you're not talking about it. You're a big communicator. I want you to use your skills to talk about it. Maybe that's what's going to make you happy. That is your current situation, guys. Yes, you need to have the strength to talk to someone. You need to leave someone. You need to leave a job. You're not getting the strength to do it. You need to leave something. And that's really disturbing you. I don't know if you're a number 8 or something to do with a earth sign, or probably you dealing with a fire or an air sign. I get a lot of fire, but I don't know. It's a lot of fire energy here. I also get somebody's a number 2. Either you're a number 2 or the other person is a number 2. I feel you want to talk about something. I also get number 8, because there is 8, and 8 has put you in a loop. You cannot get out of a situation. You're finding it very hard to get out of a situation. You do not know what's the way out. You have to release something from your life. That will bring you happiness. And don't delay it more, okay? The more you delay it, the more problematic it's going to get. So just do whatever is required right now. So this is the third card. Let's see what's the fourth card. Fourth card is an obstacle or a challenge you are overcoming, or you have to overcome. Let's see, what do you have to overcome from here? Wish. So I cannot say overcome a wish. There is something standing between you and what you wish for, is what I get. Okay, it's an obstacle. It's almost like the horse away from the well. The well is very close. What you need to be close to, or what you want, is very close to you, but there is something that is an obstacle in between. I don't know if that is a person, financial matter, religious matter, but there is something that's not allowing the horse to go to the well and have water. This is your wishing well. There are stones here. You need to remove those stones, guys. Maybe that's your challenge. Your path needs to be clear. You are your own obstacle right now. That's another message that I get. Who's your obstacle? I want to see who's your obstacle. Let me see if I can get an alphabet. There's a heart situation. There's an obstacle in the heart situation. E. Either your name starts for me or the person name starts for E, or it's a company. There is a heart situation, guys. Somebody standing between you and your lover. There's a problem between you and your lover. I don't know what it is. Is it a legal matter? Maybe you're not divorced and you're already seeing someone. I don't know. There is something unfulfilled here, and you're really wanting to go to the well. You're really wanting your desire to be fulfilled. Let me see what are the other cards saying. Maybe it's the same story, or maybe I have different cards. So let's see the obstacle or challenge you're overcoming. What will you overcome? You will actually make the path clearer. That's what I get. You're going to overcome it, which is great. What are you overcoming? Yes, there was a fight. Somebody, I don't know, you or somebody else took everything away from you. I don't know why I get that message. It's also a fight between people. I don't know if you're a number 5 or you're dealing with a number 5. It's almost the other person has given up. There is no war. You have the upper hand. You'll have a good win. A lot of people involved in the situation. I don't know. What I think is you need to overcome. I also get overcome pride. That's another obstacle. I don't know why. You need to overcome pride in the situation. That's a challenge for you. Let's see what are the other. What is the other card? Yes, there is something unfolding. Either you did wrong to someone, Either you did wrong to someone or someone did wrong to you, but there is something unfolding. I feel an awakening is coming. There's an awakening. I also feel somebody is challenging you. It's also a challenge. You need to overcome. I think you need to overcome a kind of thing. If I do good to others, good will come. Somebody's been really bad to you, and you're still being good to the person. That's an obstacle. That's another obstacle that you need to overcome. Let me see if I get a number. 6, 7, 8, 8. A lot of 8 is coming. I don't know if you were born in the 8th month or the person you're dealing with is born in the 8th month. There's a lot of 8 coming here. So I'm going to move on to the 5th card. What are your angels? What your angels want you to know? Okay, remember, let's see what your angels want you to know right now. What guidance do they want to give you? What guidance do the angels want to give you guys? Flight. Be free. That's the first message that I get. Be free from whatever you're doing or that's chaining you. Also be creative in whatever you're doing. Don't limit your imagination. This is someone who has no limits and is flying. Okay, don't limit yourself to anything. There are better times coming ahead. That's the angel message. I get a number 9. I want to give you one more number. What other number can I get? 7. That's a lucky number for you. Your dreams will come true. You'll get financial assistance. That's what the angels are telling you. If you have a problem right now, finances especially, help is on its way. That's another message that I get. Blue love. I don't know. I got the message that you're gonna have a boy. I don't know who's listening to this, but if you're gonna have a baby soon, I get a boy. You also owe someone something, okay? Someone loves you also. That's another thing that I get. I also get an engagement ring for people who are listening to this and were already thinking if the partner is really serious about you or not, but there is a surprise waiting for you. It's also, I don't want you to do a lot of I right now. It's we for you. It's we, we. I also get twins. I don't know why Sunday I got twins. Are you carrying twins? That's another message that I get. Maybe twins are on their way. Let's see what are the other cards saying. What do your angels want you to know? Yes, wish fulfillment here. Trust heaven. You asked for something. You asked for a child. I don't know why I get a child again and again with this one. I also get the message be strong. Okay, that's another guided message that I get. It's all about having wings. It's all about freedom. It's protecting your freedom. And that's another message that I get. Protect your freedom. It also says you're safe. So if you were going to ask me a question about pregnancy or something, you'll have a safe pregnancy or a delivery. Don't have to worry about it. Let's see what are the other messages for you guys. 7, yes, 7. 7 is also coming a lot for this reading, and that's lucky. 7 of Cups. The angels are saying don't believe in everything you see, okay? That's not the true picture. That's an illusion. I don't know what it means to you, but this is an illusion. That's the sense that I'm getting. Somebody might be promising you everything. Somebody might be promising you the heaven. Just protect yourself, okay? That's another message that I get. Be safe. Be safe from someone's word is what I get. Those are the messages. The angels are wanting you to know that you have got to be safe. Let's see what your guides want you to know. What your guides want you to know. What your guides want you to know. Soul satisfaction. Your relationship will be wonderful. If you were looking for someone through an online dating site or someone, you will get the person. If you were looking for a great partner to work with, you will find that person. This is completion. This is getting completed in a completion of a group, a completion of number of people. It's like if you're in HR and you want to recruit someone, I get you get the right fit. I don't know why I'm getting this, but this is a very different message, guys. This is a right fit, okay? You will get the right fit for your company. You'll get the right fit for your business. You'll get the right fit for your marriage. As a friend, you're going to get the right people. This is about right people. That's what I get. Balance, harmony, and right people. That's what the guides want you to know. Let's see what the I said, what's wrong with me? Let's see what the ascended masters want you to know. There's love and peace. I told you that's a beautiful balance. There is love and peace in the relationship, no matter what it is. There is harmony. If things weren't really going well in office, then I think there is harmony. There is peace. If there was one person who was causing problem in the I don't know why I said family. Okay, I'm going to take family also, but I wanted to say more in the job. It's going to be okay. Okay, is yeah, you're going to have a dialogue with someone. You're going to talk to someone. You'll be talking to someone very soon, and making peace with the person. Okay, that's what I get. Two dialogue boxes. Yes, making peace with a person. Somebody whose name begins with S, I get a lot. I also is. Somebody is in your life. Is okay. It is okay. I think you're going to say the words is okay. That's another message that I get. It is okay. Yes. Are you going to hear the words it is okay very soon? That's what I feel. So there's love, there is peace, there is harmony. Things are going fine. Yes. No problem in the kingdom. I don't know if you're a business person, if you've been worrying about a partner or people not working well with you or one person troubling you, it's good. I just get the message it's going to be fine in the kingdom, whatever it is. It's your home or your office situation. Everything is balanced. That's really right and great. Do what makes you happy. That's another message that I get. Okay, that's another message from your spirit guides. So let's move on to the last card, 7. It's a 7 number spread. I'm getting a 7 a lot. So let's see what it is. What your heart wants you to know. Let's see what your heart wants you to know. Let's see what your heart wants you to know. This one I'll take from the other hand. Honesty. Be honest. Your heart wants you to be honest. You're deceiving yourself, you're deceiving someone. Be honest. Say the truth. Stand your ground. Don't let anybody else make don't believe in anybody else. It's like almost somebody telling you lies. Okay, don't believe in it. Believe in what you have heard or what you see. Okay, that's the unicorn telling you. Don't listen to them. They might be lying to you. People around are lying to you. They're saying the wrong things about someone, about a person. So just be careful. You have to make your own decision. That's another thing that I get. Don't let others fill your ears, okay, with the wrong thing. It's almost two friends lying to you. And you're very open right now. You're listening to everyone. That's another thing that I get. I also get don't give up. I also get getting agitated about something. Don't get agitated, okay? What does your heart? There's a with are you an earth sign or there's an earth sign? There's a lot of earth energy today in this one. But yes, stay connected to honesty and be grounded. Like I said, stand your ground. This is being grounded, okay? That's when you have the whole world like water and I want to say water and earth being in a balance, you know. I don't know why I get the word flood, you know. It's a flood of emotions or there's a lot of water and it's not right. So you have to keep the balance between two things. Either it's a water and earth sign or something. I get a water and air sign also. So keep things balanced and that's how it's going to be. Your heart desires that. Your heart wants things to be fair, honest. Don't you have to listen to everybody in the sense anybody. That's when things are okay. That's when things are balanced and you have everything that you need. If you listen to other people, they're fabricating stories. The stories are not right. There's a big message there, guys. Don't let anybody instigate you, okay? I told you it's justice. It is in your hands. Judge the situation rightly, okay? Then give out your judgment. Then speak out. Okay? Everybody's looking for you to take the right decision. That's another message. Maybe you're a boss and I don't want you to get influenced by people around you. You have to take your own decision. And a lot of other people who work with you are waiting patiently for you to say something. Remember that. And 20 days from now you have to make a decision, not by anybody else's influence but by your own wisdom and experience. I don't know what's about a flag. There is a flag though here. I don't know what's it about a flag. I don't know what Swiss means to you. It is a flag. I don't know what. Did you hoist a flag? Did you make a flag? Did you think of a flag? Thinking of another country? Is there judgment awaited in another country? Is there a case going on in another country? I don't know why, but I get all those messages. So those were the messages. Let's see what charms can I get for you. Eye is coming a lot, so it's also take care of yourself. Okay, that's what I want to feel. Also take care of your eyes. That's another message that I get. I feel balanced right now when I hold this. It's especially for a water sign. Okay, water sign is going to get very emotional, or is very emotional. I don't know why. This water and earth is a lot of earth for me. Eyes, take care of yourself. Okay, there are two pillars in something. That's probably you said, or you're going to say these words. Two pillars in a company, two pillars in a family, two important people. That's what I get. Building something. Are you building something? Planning to build something? Next to each other, an office next to each other, home next to each other, to someone you with, next to someone you love. Or you've got identical things. I also get the message, two people getting identical things, like identical pens, or I don't know, identical books, identical something, identical rings. I don't know why, but there's a lot of twin energy also, a lot of Gemini energy, there's a lot of twin energy in this one. That's what I feel. So those were the messages. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope I was loud enough, and I hope you enjoyed the different reading. So this was the 7 card spread, and I'll be back again soon. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Bye.